Last summer, my family and I went on an amazing trip to Costa Rica. We have two kids, a boy named Leo, who is 10, and a girl named Mia, who is 7. We were all so excited to see the rainforest and the beautiful beaches. Our adventure began in the capital city, San Jose. We stayed there for one night after our flight. The city was busy and full of energy. The next morning, we rented a car and started our drive to the Arenal volcano area. Driving in a new country was an adventure itself. The roads were winding, but the views were incredible. We saw rolling green hills and small, colorful houses along the way. When we arrived in La Fortuna, the town near the Arenal volcano, we were speechless. The volcano was huge and majestic, with a perfect cone shape. We were lucky because the sky was clear, so we had a fantastic view. Our hotel had a swimming pool with water from a natural hot spring. The kids loved it. They could have spent the whole day swimming and playing in the warm water. The next day, we went on a hike through the rainforest. A guide showed us so many interesting things. We saw tiny red frogs called strawberry poison dart frogs. They were so bright and beautiful. Our guide told us not to touch them. We also saw monkeys swinging high in the trees. Leo was so excited he almost dropped his camera. Mia was a little scared of the loud howler monkeys, but our guide explained they were just talking to each other. We even saw a sloth sleeping peacefully on a branch. It moved so slowly, it was hard to believe it was real. After a few days in Arenal, we drove to the Pacific coast to a place called Manuel Antonio. This area is famous for its national park, which has both rainforest and stunning white sand beaches. The drive took a few hours, but it was worth it. The ocean was a beautiful shade of blue. We spent our days building sandcastles, swimming in the warm water, and just relaxing on the beach. One afternoon, we went on a boat tour to see dolphins. We saw a whole pod of them jumping and playing in the waves right next to our boat. Mia and Leo were cheering and laughing. It was a magical moment that we will never forget. We also tried some delicious local food. We ate a lot of rice and beans, which is a traditional Costa Rican dish called gallo pinto. We also had fresh fruit like pineapple and mango every day. It was the sweetest fruit I have ever tasted. Our trip to Costa Rica was more than just a vacation. It was a wonderful family adventure. We learned so much about nature and saw animals we had only seen in books before. Leo and Mia still talk about the monkeys and the sloth. They ask me all the time when we can go back. It was a reminder of how beautiful our planet is and how important it is to protect it. Costa Ricans have a saying, pura vida, which means pure life. It's a way of saying hello, goodbye, and that everything is great. After our trip, we understood exactly what it meant. Thanks for listening to our family story. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy English stories. See you next time.